Today I'm gonna be playing around with some of my Brushos that I just received as a birthday gift from my friend Ada, and I've got my art journal that she also gifted me, and I recently did a haul from Only One Life's Creation, and I'm gonna be sharing that haul sometime probably later on today or tomorrow, or maybe I end up sharing that haul before I actually put this video up, so I'm not quite sure yet. But I did purchase some stamps in here that I did want to go ahead and play with, and so I'm gonna leave these pages that are kind of messed up. This was not messed up, but I have to keep working on this, but I wanted to start something fresh. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to use both sides of this page here to do that spread. Turn this light on. This package of sequins is called Tell the Bees. It's a special edition by Crafts Consortium. I also have the stamps that go with this collection here, and so I figured I can play around with some of the colors that I have that are similar to this, and you know, I'll even add a few of these later on scattered around. But it's been a while since I've done some actual art here on my desk, so let's get started. See that a lot of the effects are starting to take place. It does happen rather quickly. You just kind of have to allow it to dry. Now you might be able to pick up some of this excess water with like a napkin or a tissue. Again, if you've watched any of the Tim Holtz videos or techniques as far as his oxides and being able to lift color, it's very similar. It's basically the same technique, so you can do something similar as well with this. Kind of works similarly when it comes to some of the effects that you can create. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and then I'll be back once it's all dry, and then we'll start with some stamping and some additional embellishing on the page, and we'll see where this page where these pages end up. We'll see how it all goes. stickers, so let's go ahead and add some of these in. And your page does have to be dry when you add these stickers in because the sticky won't stick. So make sure that your page is super dry. And that is it for that part of it. So we're gonna put the sentiment, I think, as a whole right there. Right. Well, let's trim some of these little edges off. Making peace with the bees. I think that's super cute. So my friends, that is it for today's art journal page. Let me bring this back up again. Hopefully you guys liked the concept. And found yourself motivated and inspired. And to top it off, I am going to glue on just a few of these little sequins here. Just for a little bit of glitter, just a little bit of sparkle. Just gonna add a little bit here and a little bit there. The awesomeness with glitter, a little bit truly does go a long way. I love when I can make my art supplies stretch. Sometimes I get a little bit very happy-go-lucky with them and I use them up really quickly, but for the most part I do appreciate when I can use something for an extended amount of time, and all I need is a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and that usually makes my day. And with glitter, it's definitely one of those things that you can just add a little bit here and a little bit there and you're good to go. Just going to use up the rest of this little bit of glue that I have here and just keep adding a little bit more. Or am I missing some? Maybe here. And you basically put it on and then just kind of spread it out. You don't want it to be very clumpy. because then you create the ability for it to get snagged on something and for it to lift. So you want to be able to apply your glitter and also smooth it out so that it's not lifting off the pages, so none of the edges are up. You know, that micro glitter, sometimes the pieces stay up. Okay, I think I put that upside down actually. Let's put that back the way it was. Alright my friends, so I think this is definitely it for me. I added a little bit of sparkle, just, you know, a little something something, nothing too major, but I did need it to give it just that little extra oomph. And so here we have it. We have all of that nice little sparkle. We have our very pretty scene. And the bees, they're coming from everywhere, my friends. They're coming from everywhere. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this process. Please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down in the comment section down below. It is very much appreciated. You know how YouTube, you know, appreciates the engagement, and I do as well. Would love to hear what you guys thought about this process. If you would, if you could, I would greatly appreciate it if you would share the video. There is a sharing link down below that you can share it on multiple different platforms. Please choose the one that you are actively participating on and share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.